Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. After that, you can now walk into the scene. All you just need is just to walk past. Just make your walk and pass to the other side. When you get to a point, all right, you can now stand and turn. Then you can raise your finger up as if something perched on your hand, all right. Then as you do that, you start your movement again. Maybe when you get to the other end of the screen, you can turn and come to the middle. Then you can stand. But as you are doing all this, look at what I am doing as if I am dodging something, because a goal is involved in this video. So you do as if you are dodging the eagle. Record your video at your own convenience, the way you want or the things you like to do or to achieve. But this is how to record this video. That we should do all those signs at the end. Now you can now do a thumbs up. Then you can now walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. At this point, click on CapCut, new project guys. Click on photos, import this your background here to workspace. All right, as you import it, you want to click it to extend it by dragging it to the duration of your video. All right, after dragging it, now you are going to be coming back. So come back guys. As you come back now, you want to click the video, then you expound it, expound the video. After expounding, you position it the way you want it to be. Then at the end, click on overlay, add overlay. Now click on videos. Now import this your other video to workspace. Click on splice, click on filter. Now then you mark on this good and go back. All right, you go and locate mask. Look for mask guys, locate mask, click on mask. Now click on mask, then you click on rectangle. As we resize the ground floating effect, you resize it to the way you want it to be. Just do your necessary adjustment. After that, you mark on that good and go back, then position it the way you want it to be. Look at what I am doing. No, I still want to bring it down more. Then click it and still bring it down more. After which now you are going to be clicking it now to make a duplicate. All right, we are going to be looking for duplicate now. Then you duplicate this very video to cover our video. Duplicate it. At the point you come back now, you are going to be clicking anywhere, add overlay for the third time. Then you import your main video to workspace. Look at your video there, import it, click on volume. Now we are going to be reducing volume to 0. Mark on this good, you go back, locate where you want this video to start from. All right, before you walk into the scene, you are going to be clicking here now to make a split. Then you delete this first part, click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. We go and locate, after expounding it, locate where you want this video to end. Locate where you want it to end. All right, immediately you do a thumbs up. You are going to be clicking here to make another split. Delete this last part, then you come back. We are clicking it now to go and look for remove BG. All right, click on remove BG guys, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. All right, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any CapCut effects or magic tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love the video you just watched and you love what we are doing, smash your like button. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Welcome back to this tutorial guys. As he has removed completely, mark on this good now, then you go back. So at this point, allow the video to play so that you will see the character. Now use your hand to make the character walk on this ground floating effect. So drag the character down, place him on that ground effect. Then now you play the video. Let us see what we have got so far. So as you are playing it, you are doing your necessary adjustment before we bring in the other effect. Play it first. Let us see what we have got. This is nice already, but we are going to be bringing our butterfly effect. The moment you are coming out for the second time, look at this, your hand. That is where we are going to be placing the butterfly effect. All right, so at this point we click on add overlay, then we import our butterfly. Look at it there, import it. Then you click on splice again, click on splice for the second time and click on filter. Then you mark on the good and go back. So at this point you drag the butterfly out from the scene. Immediately you walk out into the scene. That's your hand. Immediately you review your hand, place this butterfly on top of your hand, you add keyframe. Look at it. So you add keyframe now. As you are moving, you are making sure that as you are moving the video, you are dragging this butterfly to the point of your hand. Don't bother about the key. So you are moving the video now and adjusting this butterfly to your hand. The key will be adding automatically by itself. Your own is as you are moving, make sure you drag the butterfly to the point of your hands. All right, but guys, we don't want this video to be too long. Sooner or later now we are going to be fast forwarding it. You have seen the example we have shown you so far. So as you are moving, look at it. So this is what you are going to do until you finish the point of the butterfly, so that the butterfly will play with your hand. So you are coming down, look at it, you are still dragging the butterfly down. After this point now, we are going to be playing this part to see what we have got so far. But you can see I am still doing my amendment. As my hand is moving, I am taking the butterfly at the point of my hand. The key is adding automatically. All right, come down and do your own so that it will play professionally, it will play very smooth. All right, you can see I am still adjusting mine. You take your time, don't hurry this place, don't be too in haste. Then after that, we are going to be playing this part now to see what we have got. But when you look at this character, you will see that the character is dodging something. It looks as if there is something he's dodging. That is why we are going to be clicking on overlay small time now to add our eagle. All right, eagle is involved in this video. So at this point now, we are going to be clicking on add overlay so that we import our eagle and do our editing there as well. Look at, you can see the character is still dodging something. So at this point, click on overlay, you import this your eagle to workspace. Click on the eagle layer and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on chroma key, drag it to green, mark on this good and go back. You want to click it for the second time and go and look for adjust. All right, locate adjust, click on adjust. As we have found it, you look for HSL, click it, mark on that green, reduce saturation to 100%, you mark on the good and go back. You are going to be dragging this eagle out from the scene, but before then you duplicate it so that it will cover what you want to do with it. After duplicating it, you come back to the first one now, click the first one, then you drag it out from the scene completely. So as you drag it out, you are going to be adding keyframe here. You are going to be adding keyframe, but immediately you find the character dodge, add keyframe here. So when the character dodges, immediately you drag the eagle out completely, drag it out from the scene completely. No, drag it out completely. As you drag it out now, you are going to be playing it. Let us see what we have got. All right, look at it. Bam, the eagle has come. Then we are going to do our necessary adjustments. After doing our adjustments, you are going to be splitting it here because the eagle is coming for the second time. You add your key again. As you split it, bring the eagle back. Then you are still going to be adding your key somewhere here. Or for the second time, you will add your key somewhere this place. As you add your key again, you locate the point where you dodge, then you still drag the ego for the second time. All right, this is the amendment that you are going to do. All right, this is what you will do until you finish that part where the character is dodging the ego. You understand? But at this point, we don't want this video to be too long. We are still going to be fast forwarding it, as I know and I'm sure you have understood the example that I've given you here. As you drag the ego, watch the point where he dodged. You add your keyframe, then you drag the ego out. All right. At the end of all this, now we are going to be playing this video from the beginning to see what we have got. Look at what we have got so far. So as we are playing this video now, identify where you have some errors and mistakes, then you correct your errors and mistakes. But as far as I'm concerned, I am sure there is no error here, there is no mistake here. What will be remaining here now is to export this video to our gallery. But before then, don't forget to add your sound effects, your light effects, and every other effect you need on this video. And after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add those things, just DM me, as my number is at the description of this video. I am going to put you through on how to add the remaining effects you need on this video. And after adding them now, what will be remaining is to export this video to our gallery. All right, as you can see that the video is still playing. Amazing. This is so nice. You can try this just with your handset phone at the comfort of your home. After all this, now you click on export here, then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see that the video is now exporting. Just exercise patience as the video exports completely. All right. At this point, this video have been stored in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What do you make up of this video? If you have any magic tricks or CapCut effect you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love the video you have just watched, smash your like button. All right, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.